Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today magbe-breakdown tayo ng isa sa the biggest project I've ever done or work with so far, which is first ever Christmas ID ng MSCUF, which is ang Pasko natin. So let's go ahead, check that out. Okay, so for this arrangement, Christmas to, so I was looking for a Christmassy vibe na instrument to work with, and then I came across this instrument called the Holiday lang pala, walang da. So ito yung ginamit ko na melody, very Christmassy na and very uplifting, positive vibes na sinimulan namin even from the intro to syempre spark agad yung mood na this is a very uplifting song. So it sounds really good alone, kaso nakulangan ako, so I added real instruments, a real keyboard, a real piano. So I added a real piano. So ang nangyari, nag-complement siya, nagkaroon ng mas maayos na top end gamit yung Holiday. So naging maganda yung tunog, naging kompleto and buo siya. And then of course, this wouldn't be a Christmas song without bells, so nilagyan ko siya ng bells, konti lang. And of course, strings, kasi I'm a really big fan of orchestra things. Actually, inalign ko siya dun sa parang theme nung kanta, kasi sa lyrics nung song is parang looking back at different situations na nangyari and circumstances, nagagawa pa rin ng mga Invergans ng umiti. So doon ko siya inayon. So yung intro pa lang uplifting na agad siya, although may pagka dramatic and mellow stuff, mababakas mo pa rin dun sa chord progression na siya, masaya and uplifting siya. First verse natin, pumasok agad, inilagay ko agad yung drums. So the drums kicked in agad, along with the Holiday piano at saka yung real piano. Kasi ang ganda nung combination nilang dalawa, nagkakaroon ng mas buo silang dalawa. Sa second part nung first verse, nasa ko na yung mga instruments, ibang instruments like the guitar. Isang electric guitar pan to the left and isang acoustic guitar pan to the right. Just to magkaroon ng image yung kanta and the arrangement itself. For the pre-chorus, the song used a progressive chord progression na para siyang paakyat, para hindi naman very flat yung kanta, diba? So naglagay tayo ng progressive na chord progression with the drums already being hyper dyan sa part na yan. Dito sa first verse ko, nilagyan ng parang mellow part or dramatic scene. So the same instruments as the intro. Pinaka-favorite part ko dito is the bridge. So syempre iba na din yung chord progression ng bridge. Mas may impact dito sa bridge, mas may tension, and yung climax nandito. Ganito yung bridge niya. Again, napakaganda ang tunog, very Christmassy, pero kulangan pa rin ako, so I added syempre yung keys. Very harsh sounding, pero it's fine, it sounded good naman sa mix, along with the guitars. Hindi ko napansin, medyo sintonado pala yung mga gitara, pero it's fine. I'm a huge fan din of funky bass lines, so niligay ko din siya dyan. And kung may napansin pa kayong isa, which is the strings, this is my favorite part of the song. Kasi ang ganda ng combination niya with the whole arrangement itself. So nagkaroon ng flavor and jump to the vibe gamit yung strings. By the way, ang ginamit ko ditong plug-in is BBC Symphony Orchestra Discover, which is na-feature ko na siya sa isang vlog. Very epic vlog, to be honest. So you can check that out. Dito siya. after the bridge, hindi naman talaga namin planong lagyan to ng transpose, ng pagta-transpose. Pero since, yun nga, nanggaling na tayo sa hype, so why not ituloy na yung pag-akyat nung tension and whatnot. So, nilagyan na namin to ng transposition. Umakyat kami ng octave nga ba? 2 octaves yata. No, octaves pa lang. 2 semitones. A whole step. So, umakyat kami ng isang chord. Tama ba? Basta whole step. This is the part na nilagyan namin ng a cappella version for a choir sana to sing, which we kind of achieved naman through the whole process of recording. So, for the a cappella part, nilagyan ko siya ng percussion lang with tambos. For the second part of the chorus, it's time for introducing ibabalik namin yung instruments. Pero, ang ginawa ko dito, isa-isa lang and mellow lang and dahan-dahan lang yung pagbalik niya. Yan, so, dami ng build-up dito na nangyayari. Dito na tayo sa last chorus natin. For the last chorus, dito ko na talaga nilagay lahat ng pwedeng ilagay. I even added a simple solo line dito sa part nito just to give a little flavor lang, spice things up a little. Syempre, yung holiday drum, then bass, then our drums, strings, tambo. For the whole arrangement of the song, that's pretty much about it and about the instruments na ginamit ko. So at the end of the song, nilagyan namin ng something na mag-identify as Envergan. So, tatak Enverga talaga. And in that way, nilagyan namin siya ng ending spiel gamit ang Enverga hymn. So, I used a glockenspiel na instrument from BBC Symphony Orchestra discovered din, and the strings. So, that's pretty much about the whole arrangement of the song. I did spend a lot of time here, tweaking a lot of things here and there, tsaka syempre sa mixing and stuff. To be honest, sa mastering, hindi ko pa siya masyadong gamay, pero it turned, medyo okay naman siya. So, this is the whole arrangement of the song. Medyo madami. This is, indeed one of the biggest, the biggest so far na I've ever had to manage. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video. So this is pretty much about yung whole arrangement. So thank you Enverga for the opportunity. Yeah, hoping for more projects to come like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. We're pretty much done about the breakdown. Pero yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe, and kapag kailangan nyo ng any music production service o kaya music lessons, I'll be leaving my contact information sa description box or sa comment section. If you haven't listened to the whole song, feel free to check that out. I'll be leaving a link din sa description and sa comment section for you to check out. Paulit-ulit, grabe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.